Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl Denise Joy, and I help homeowners just like you make magic in your home with minimal moolah. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I reclaimed my overgrown front yard flower beds. I had some perennials that were not getting enough sun, so they were incredibly unhappy and unruly. It looked like a forest. But I reclaimed it, y'all. I also transplanted those perennials, moved them to a new flower bed, and I know they're going to thrive come next summer. I hope that this video inspires you to do something magical in your own front yard. Here we go.